We're about to unbox the ENACFIRE E18 Bluetooth 5.0 wireless headphones. It's a bit of a mouthful, but let's have a look inside the box and I'll talk you through some of the features, the highs and lows of the product, which I've been trying for the past couple of days. When you open the box, you'll find the main unit, which is a charging point for your headphones, and a USB cable inside a box. You'll find some little earbud adjusters to make sure the headphones fit. You'll find an E18 user guide for your wireless headphones, a thank you card, and finally there will be a little feedback card with a smiley and frowny face on the other side. My opinion of these headphones when I take one out of the box and look at it carefully is that it's crafted with accuracy. We have a metallic finish and they really do look quite stylish. I had absolutely no difficulty when it came to pairing the device with my mobile phone, and the E18 immediately appeared and I was able to pair each of the earbuds to the device very quickly without any hassle at all. You'll see the ring flashing with a pulsing LED, which will indicate that the device is ready to be used. So now it's time to test these things out, and I decided to test them out with some really bassy music with a mixture of dance, techno, and also hip-hop and that style of music, which has a lot of trap bass, some really booming basses, and I want to make sure that there's absolutely no distortion when I'm listening to these headphones. In my opinion, these headphones sound great. I like music which has dynamics and frequency range, and I find that it performs well at the top frequencies as well as the bassy frequencies, and so as an all-round portable wireless headphone, I really cannot complain about the sound whatsoever. A huge surprise for me was how immersive and how almost like a noise reduction happens when you put these headphones in. They fit snugly into your ear, and once you've done that, you can't hear anything around you. You are literally immersed within music. So you can sit and listen to your favorite songs for 3 hours or so before the headphones need charging. The way that you charge them is by dropping them back into the holder. The holder itself will charge the headphones up to 4 times, giving you up to 15 hours worth of listening time, which is great. The unit itself has a USB plug at the back for setting it up in terms of charging. If you ask me whether you should go out and buy these headphones, then I would say to you, I think you should. I don't think that you'll be disappointed with the sound quality, and if you are comfortable with wearing in-ear headphones already and you want to go wireless, there's absolutely nothing in this product that you'll be disappointed with. I've seen a number of reviews on Amazon. Some of the negativities are around earpieces disconnecting. I've never had anything except perfect stereo sound from these. I've heard other people saying that it's tricky when it comes to putting them back into charge. That's absolute rubbish, because these have an absolutely amazing little magnetic connector. So as you push the headphone anywhere within about a centimetre of the charging point, it will suck it into place correctly, and they will continue to charge. So there's absolutely nothing about this product that I'm unhappy with, and I would say to you, you should go ahead and treat yourself to a pair of wireless headphones. If you want to be sure that you get exactly the same product that you've seen in this review, then make sure you use the link that I've included in the description. There's a number of options, and I can't guarantee that every single one is for the legitimate product, except the one that I've linked in my description. I hope you have a nice day. I hope you enjoyed this review, and why not leave me a little comment, let me know how I can improve these in future. Thanks.